Good morning students. Today we will discuss how to get the line of symmetry of any angle and how to construct the bisector of any angle. Both are the same things. Just suppose we have an angle. Line of symmetry means divide the line which divide the given angle into two equal parts. Means if we will fold this angle along this line, this will divide the given angle into two equal parts. Means this part and this part is same. Bisector also have the same meaning. So it means line of symmetry and a bisector of any angle means dividing that line in the given angle into two equal parts. So this is called the bisector as well as line of symmetry of given angle. It means if we have to draw first, if we are drawing the angle of 75 degree, then we will use protractor to draw the given angle. So keep your center point at the vertex and this line on the ray. So we will make the angle of 75. As we are making it the left side, so we will see the downwards lies between 70 and 80. So we are making the angle of 75 degree. So this is the angle of 75 degree and the name of the angle is POQ. So vertex is O and these rays, on these rays we can give the points P and Q. Now we have to find its line of symmetry. So as much compass you want to open, we can open. Keep it the vertex and give this type of arc. This arc meeting these rays at the points A and the point B. So this is point B and this is point A. We will open the length as much AB. So keep on A and keep on B. So we have opened this length is AB. So please observe, keeping on A and B, this length is AB. So when we are finding the line of symmetry or the bisector, we will open the compass more than half of AB. So this is AB, more than half will be here. So we will open the compass more than half, or we can open AB also. So we are opening this. So keeping on A, we will give this type of arc, and we will keep on B, we will give this type of arc. So this intersection point we will join to the vertex. We are getting the bisector of the given angle. We can observe this line is dividing the given angle into two equal parts. So it means this point, just suppose D is there, so it means we can say OD is bisector or line of symmetry of angle 75 degree. So in this way, in question 2, we have to make an angle of 147 degree and we have to construct its bisector. So in the same way, first using protractor, as draw is written there, so we will use protractor to draw the angle of 147. So we will draw the angle of 147, which is lies between 140 and 150. This is 145, 146, 147. So we will make the angle of 147. So this is the angle of 147. Now, as much compass you want to open, you can open. Give the arc. So just suppose this arc meeting the rays at the point A and B and let the vertex be O. Now this length is AB. This length is AB. So we will open more than half of the length AB. Half will be near about here. So we will open more than half of AB. So keep on A as well as on B to give this type of arc and join this intersection point to the vertex. This would be the bisector of the given angle 147. 7 degree. Name it C. So what is here? OC is bisector of 147 degree. In question 4, students, we have to draw an angle of 153 and we have to divide it into 4 equal parts. So before finding out before dividing it into 4 equal parts, first we will divide this given angle into 2 equal parts. So first we will make an angle of 153 degree. So using protractor we will draw the angle of 153 degree. So 153 lies between 150 and 160. So you just draw the angle of 153 degree. So now as we find its line of symmetry, or we were finding its bisector, so first we will find its bisector, means we will divide into 2 equal parts. So as much you want to open the compass, you open it, give this type of arc. Now as this arc is meeting at these 2 points A and B, let this vertex be O. Now we will open more than half of length. This is AB length. We will open more than half. As by estimation you will open only, or you will just give this type of arc by keeping on A and B both points. So we will join this intersection point to the vertex. Now we get 2 equal parts. Let this point, now don't see this point, let this point is C. Now we want 4 equal parts. So as much you have already opened the compass, you can continue with this. Now keep on A, or otherwise this you can open more than half AC or BC, because AC and BC are now same. Now, or otherwise you can open the same length also. Now keep on A, give this type of arc, and keep on C, give this type of arc. In the same way, keep on C, we will give this type of arc, and keep on B, we will give this type of arc. Now we will join this intersection point to the vertex. This is bisector of COA, and join this intersection point to the vertex. This is the bisector of angle BOC. Now we are observing these all 4 parts are equal. So we have divided 153 degree into 4 equal parts by using the concept that first we find out its bisector, then we divide this angle into 2 equal parts by finding its bisector, and this angle into 2 equal parts by finding its bisector. So now question number 6 and question number 7, we have the question, we have to draw the angle of 45 and 135, and we have to bisect it. It means we have to find its bisectors. So you will do these questions yourself. Question number 5 we have already discussed. In question 8, we have to draw an angle of 70 degree. So first we will go with this line only. We will draw an angle of 70 degree. So we have to draw, it means we will make this 70 degree using protractor. So 70 degree. So we will make the angle of 70 degree. This is the angle of 70 degree. Now we have to copy this angle using the straight line or the compass. So when we have to copy an angle, this angle is given, that draw an angle of 70 degree. So we have drawn it. Now we have to make a copy of it. So take another ray. We want to copy it. So we will take another ray. So we are taking the ray. Now we will take compass. Using compass we have to copy this angle. So use open as much you want to open. keep on the vertex of the given angle and give the arc. So we have given, and the same compass we will open and we will keep on this vertex and we will give this type of arc. As we have learnt that if we are opening the compass and we are giving the arc, and if we will keep on this point and we will give this type of arc, we will get an angle of 60 degree. But we know that this angle is given of 70 degree and we have to copy the angle of 70. So if the same we are giving this type of arc and without getting increase or decrease, if we are keeping here and we will give the arc, this we know we will get the angle of 60, as we have done the angle of 60, 120 like this. But we want to copy this. So as much we have opened to give this arc, same compass we have opened to give this type of arc. So we will not open the same compass to give this arc. Now we will keep the compass here. So we can mark this point A and this point B. Now we will open compass as much the length is AB is given. Now you can observe the now length of, as we have given this arc, the length is getting increased now because we have opened the length same to the AB. You can see here we have opened the compass of length AB by keeping A and B. Now we will keep on the point C. So we will keep on C and we will give that. Don't think it's a 60. We will get 60 if we are keep giving this arc and without getting increase or decrease, we give this type of arc. But here we have open of AB, which one is getting increase. So we will get this, we will join this point to the vertex, name this vertex as D. Now we will join this point to this vertex D, which we can say, let this point be E. We can say now this angle EDC, angle EDC is copy of given angle BOA, that is of 70 degree. So this is also 70 degree. So we have copied this angle using compass. In question 9, we have to draw the angle of 40 degree first. Now we have the concept that we have to copy it supplementary. So first we will learn the concept of supplementary angles. What are the supplementary angles? Two angles are said to be supplementary angles. When they add up, we get the sum is 180. So just suppose I have this straight line. If I am saying this angle is of 40 degree, and then if this angle and this angle, we know it's a straight line 180 degree. So this and this angle add up to we are getting 180. So this will be called supplementary of this angle. It means 140. So we can say 140 is supplementary of 40 and 40 is supplement of 140 degree. So if I am taking here 50, then 130 would be supplement of 50 and 50 would be supplement of 130. So but we are here having 40 degrees. So 140 would be the supplement of the given angle. So first we will draw an angle of 40 degree. So using protractor we will make an angle of 40 degree. Now we have to copy the angle of 40 degree. So first we have drawn the angle of 40 degree. So this is the angle of 40, and you can extend this ray also, because we know that straight line shows 180 degrees. So you just extend this by dotted line. But we have this angle is of 40 degree. We have to copy its supplement angle. So we will take one more ray to copy the supplement of 40 degree. Take the ray, open your compass as much you want to open, keep on the given vertex. This we have drawn later, but this angle is of 40. So keep on the vertex of 40 degree, give this type of arc. By the same compass open, keep on this, you will give this a type of arc, and you can extend this arc also here like this. Now this angle is of 40 degree. We know this angle is of 40 degree. So this angle, if we will open this much, means if we will keep on A and B, this vertex is O. If we will open the length of AB, then it would be copy of 40 degree. But we want to copy it supplementary. So this part, as we have extended this is 40. So this part is supplement of 40 degree. So we will open the compass as much the length of BC is given. So we will open the length of BC. You are observing, we will keep on B and we will keep on C. So now take this point to be D, keep on point D and give this type of arc. Let this point be vertex is E. Now we will join this point to the vertex, and this would be copy of supplement of, means this is 140 degree. It means this angle is copy of supplement of 40. What is supplement of 40? It's 140. So we will not open the length as much AB. We will open the length equals to BC, and we will keep on D and we will give this type of arc. Let this point be F. So angle FED is copy of supplement of 40 degree.